Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Have you ever been in that nightmare scenario? Your computer crashes, the operating system is corrupted, and you need to reinstall Windows or Linux, but you don't have a second working computer to create a bootable USB drive? Well, if you have an Android phone, you actually have a rescue kit right in your pocket. Today, we're talking about EtchDroid, an incredible open-source app that lets you write operating system images to USB drives directly from your phone without needing root access. So what exactly is EtchDroid? In simple terms, it's an application that handles flashing or writing disk images like ISO files for Linux, Raspberry Pi, and other operating systems onto USB sticks. Now the big question, how does it do this without root? Usually, accessing raw hardware like a USB partition requires superuser permissions. EtchDroid is clever. It uses the Android USB host API. Instead of asking the Android OS to mount the drive, the app communicates directly with the USB stick using its own internal drivers. It basically tells your phone, hey, don't read this drive, just let me send raw data to it. This is why it's so safe to use. You don't need to void your warranty or unlock your bootloader. You just plug in an OTG adapter, tap Allow, and you're in business. So what can you flash with it? It handles almost any GNU Linux distribution perfectly. Ubuntu, Debian, Arch, you name it. It also supports Raspberry Pi images if you unzip them first. A quick note on Windows. Official Windows ISOs are tricky because of how Microsoft formats them. EtchDroid can do it, but you often need a specially prepared image, so sticking to Linux distros for emergency recovery is usually your best bet. Once you flash the boot image, you can unplug the drive, stick it into your dead laptop, boot from USB, and save the day. EtchDroid is one of those apps you might not use every day, but when you need it, it's a lifesaver. I highly recommend keeping a Linux ISO downloaded on your phone's storage just in case emergency strikes. If you want to try it out, I've left links to the EtchDroid and Play Store pages in the description below. Thanks for watching. If this video saved your tech setup, smash that like button and let me know in the comments. I'll catch you in the next one.